They lied to you. You don't need an hour at the gym to get strong, flexible, and pain-free. In fact, the best body changes happen when you stop overcomplicating it. So what if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could totally shift how your body feels, moves, and even how your brain works? This isn't about fancy equipment or strict routines. It's about 7 ridiculously effective moves that work harder than most gym sessions. And you can start doing them today, right from your bedroom floor. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 game-changing exercises that require no gym, no gear, and no stress, but can sculpt your body, relieve pain, sharpen your mind, and transform your posture. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll also explain why these specific moves matter more than most popular workouts, and how to make them your daily secret weapon. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the move that has probably been overhyped, but for good reason: the plank. Yeah, that simple hold your body still position that people love to hate. It's actually a full body transformer. But here's the thing most people get wrong. It's not just about your abs. When done right, the plank fires up your shoulders, back, glutes, and even your quads. It makes everything work together, which is exactly what your body needs to prevent pain and move better. And mentally? There's something powerful about holding still in tension. It trains your focus, your breath, your grit. It's like meditation, but your abs are screaming a little. Start with just 30 seconds. You'll feel it. Work up to 2 to 3 minutes a day, and you'll feel everything start to shift. Your posture, your strength, your mental clarity. Next up, bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana. But don't worry about the name, just remember this. It opens the front and strengthens the back. If you sit a lot, at a desk, in the car, on your couch, your hips and chest are probably tight. And tight hips are like the root of so many modern-day body problems. From back pain to knee pain, they all link back to the hips. Bridge pose stretches your hip flexors while activating your glutes and hamstrings, those big muscles in your backside that should be doing the heavy lifting, but often aren't. Plus, this move gets your blood flowing, like literally boosts circulation. It also stimulates your thyroid and can help with mild depression and anxiety. A few breaths in this pose each day, and you're not just getting stronger. You're clearing mental fog and emotional heaviness too. Now let's talk about pain. Specifically, sciatic pain. Ever get that sharp, annoying shooting pain down your leg? That could be your piriformis acting up. The Piriformis Stretch, also called a modified supine pigeon or Supta Kapotasana, is a hidden gem for this. It's not sexy, it won't get you shredded, but it will unlock your hips and take the pressure off your sciatic nerve. That means better movement, less pain, and easier walking, sitting, or even sleeping. All from lying on your back and doing this stretch for 2 minutes a day. And honestly, if you've ever felt that electric jolt of sciatic pain, you know it's worth doing anything to stop it. This stretch, it's your best friend now. Okay, now it's time to go deep. Like really stretch it out, enter the wide leg forward fold. Imagine your hamstrings sighing in relief. That's what this stretch feels like. It's a full body sigh. This pose targets your inner thighs, calves, hamstrings, spine, and even your belly. You're folding forward, letting gravity do its thing, and you're gently telling your body, hey, it's okay to let go. It also calms the nervous system. Think of it as a physical reset button. When you're stressed, this pose helps you unwind. It tones your core while stretching out all the junk we carry around in our legs and lower back. Hold it for 1 to 2 minutes. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes if you want. You'll stand up feeling like you just came back from a massage. Let's loosen up that spine now. The cat-cow stretch is simple, but so powerful. You're moving your spine from flexion to extension, basically curling in like a cat, then arching out like a cow. Sounds weird, feels amazing. This is one of the best morning stretches to wake up your spine, improve posture, and bring fluidity back to your movement. Your back, hips, and neck all get in on the action. And if you're the type who wakes up stiff or ends your day feeling hunched over, do this stretch. Just 1 to 2 minutes can change your whole energy. It's like shaking off the stiffness of modern life. Next up, seated forward fold. Sounds boring? It's not. This is a deep internal stretch that goes beyond just touching your toes. You're targeting your spine, hamstrings, and even the organs inside your body. Yup, This pose actually massages your internal organs like the liver and intestines, which helps with digestion, detox, and hormonal balance. And for anyone dealing with menstrual cramps or bloating, this pose can be a lifesaver. It calms the nerves, eases pain, and helps you feel grounded. It's not about how far you can reach. It's about surrendering, holding, breathing, letting your body meet itself where it's at. Now we're closing with one of the most powerful poses of all, and it's also the simplest, child's pose, Balasana, the humble rest pose. But don't underestimate it. This one gently opens the hips, lengthens the spine, and relaxes the nervous system. It's like crawling back into the womb, a safe, comforting place to just breathe and be. Child's pose helps with digestion, back pain, hip tightness, even fatigue. Stay in it for 3 to 5 minutes. Let your breath slow down. Let your thoughts quiet. You'll be surprised how something so simple can feel so complete. Now here's the problem. Most people think they need more to see results. More time, more equipment, more pain, more reps, more intensity. But the truth? It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. These 7 moves, they're the foundation. And when you repeat them daily, even just for 10 minutes, they start stacking results like compound interest. You begin noticing you're walking taller. Your back hurts less. Your focus is sharper. Your body moves more easily, more gracefully. You feel lighter, not just physically, but mentally. That's the hidden power in this routine. You're not just stretching muscles. You're rewiring habits. You're choosing daily wins. You're saying yes to feeling better with less. In just 4 weeks, just a month, you'll feel a shift. A real one. Not a gimmick, not a fitness hack, but something deeper. You'll move differently, sleep better, handle stress more calmly, and yeah, you'll probably look better too. So don't wait. No more "I'll start Monday." No more "when I have time." You've got 10 minutes today. That's all you need. Do the plank, the bridge, the Piriformis Stretch, fold forward, cat-cow, sit and stretch, rest in child's pose. Every day. That's your new gym. And when you feel the difference, and you will, you'll wonder why no one told you this sooner. Watch the next video on screen right now to keep the momentum going. If this helped you feel even 1% better, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.